everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Those who are new to my channel, my name is Myvet and this is my YouTube channel. If you enjoy my videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would highly appreciate it if you do. Moving forward to the video, guys, so this video is going to be another hair product review. And as of the title of the video, it is going to be my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you're interested in what I'm going to give away, just to keep watching till the end of this video. Alright guys, so for this product review, we are going to review this product here, and it is the Spiral Professional Automatic Hair Curler. So this is the one that basically you just put your hair in there and it just does it on its own. So before I get started, I do want to thank MKBOO Beauty and Personal Care for giving me this product. I'm really super excited to try it out. I'm going to go ahead and leave their information down on my description box. So if you're interested in purchasing one after the end of this video or after this tutorial, if it's helpful, go check them out. I will link down the YouTube channel as well if you guys are interested. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing. So this is the box. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open the box to see what is in here so you guys can see. And look at this. We turn this on, and as you can see, the temperature information is in the bottom. So I'm going to set this, I'm going to turn this on and just leave it. And I guess this is the, whatever heats up, and it says on there, high temp, do not touch. So we'll leave that alone. It's still loading, so it's not ready yet. Okay, so curl temperature setting. So it tells you on there for delicate, fine, or damaged hair, you want to do 300 to 370. For normal textured hair, you want to do 370 to 410. For thick hair, you want to do 410 and 450. So I'm going to be kind of like on the normal. So I'm going to start it off at the 370. And then, so it does beep once it's ready. I don't know if you guys heard it when I was talking. Okay, and then the curl time setting. So 8 to 10 seconds for a subtle curl. You have 12 seconds for a middle curl. And then 14 seconds for a tight curl. So it does give you, right here, it does explain to you, you have to do like a hair sectioning. And that's where this one comes in. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bigger curls because they're, yeah, so this one is smaller than this one. So this one's bigger. So this is the one that I'm going to do. So okay. Sorry guys if I'm being a little bit boring in this one. I'm just a little worried because I do not want my hair to get stuck in this machine. So I'm going to section my hair. So I'm going to start with the long piece. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure it, make sure it's, you know, yeah. So what you see here, it opens up. Okay, so goes in here. There it is. That's it. And then you hear that little beep and then you open it and voila. Kind of looks a little bit weird because I got super scared, guys. Let's try this again. So I guess you started off where you wanted to, where you want the curl to start. So it's gonna, I want it to start right around here. So I'm gonna let it go and then it just does its job. You hear the little beep. There you go. And boom. We're gonna do this one again. And it's spinning there. You hear the first beep, the second one, and the third one because I want a really defined curl. I just love this. This just makes the hair curling process so much easier. It is a little bit time consuming after like you figure out how to use it, but oh my god, it is so worth having this little tool here for your hair. Let's keep trying the other pieces. Remember, just don't touch the middle because it's hot. And you can just see it spinning there. There you go, guys. You guys are seeing this for yourselves. And I'm gonna go ahead and just do all my hair just so you guys can see how it's gonna look. So I guess depending on the position that you put it on, oops, I broke it. So this literally saves air, so it does protect your hair. So let's go ahead and try this again. I think this piece was a little too big for it, so, or I just probably just didn't insert it correctly. Okay, so it's not gonna work. It has to just, you just have to let it beep once it's ready. So I hope your guys' day is going well. Mine is going so. As you could tell, I'm having issues with this machine, but it really does curl my hair. Since I messed up, I'm gonna turn it back on and just wait until it decides to beep so it can be ready, because it's not gonna curl your hair if it's not ready. As you guys can tell, I'm putting my hair in here and it's not even taking it. So I mean, my hair is long, so I think it's just a little way too much for this machine. So I'm just gonna continue doing the ends only. But you guys are seeing for yourself that this is really working. Just be really careful with this. Just let it do its thing. And I'm almost done with this side. And we'll continue on to the other one. Alright, so this whole side is done. Okay guys, so that is it. I'm just gonna brush them off. But you guys can see alright guys, so my hair did get stuck a couple times. It was kind of scary, not gonna lie, but I mean, it does do the job. You really have to read the instructions carefully in order to use this, because if you don't, you're probably gonna panic like me and just jam my poor hair. But other than that, guys, this machine makes miracles. Look at this. And I didn't even have to, you know, be like that, just waiting for my hair to curl like these regular hair curlers. I would highly recommend you to get one of these. And it's not because they send me the product to promote it. It's because it really works. You really need to get one if you are like me, that, you know, you're constantly holding your hand like this to curl your hair. I mean, my arm starts hurting, my hand starts hurting, my fingers start hurting. And with this one, all you gotta do is place your hair there, and I mean, it does the job for you. So obviously I'm gonna say, like, yes, get yourself one of these. I do want to say thank you again to MKBOO for giving me this product. I really loved it. Like I said, if you guys want to get one, I'm leaving the information down below. So take a look at that. Going on to the giveaway, these are the products that I'm gonna be giving out. Only one person is gonna be able to get these items. Let me show you guys. So this is my makeup palette, and this is what I'm going to be giving away. And let me show you the shades. These are all the shades that includes. And for my lip glosses, so these are the colors. And my brand is called Unoya by Teviam. In order for you to win these. All you gotta do is make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and go ahead and follow my business page, which you'll see more items on there. But I will leave my Instagram business account information for you guys to follow, and I will find out who's the winner of these items. I will also leave this information on my personal Instagram account. But yeah, we reached the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.